Good morning, students. We have learned some topics from this lesson in our previous session. Today, we are going to learn some more topics from the same lesson. So, our new topic is now subtraction. Yes, subtraction of two-digit number and one-digit number. Let's see the question. The question is count and subtract. Yes, see the first one. Here we have 14 apples in first box. Yes, and 8 apples in second box. Means we have to subtract 8 from 14. If we cross 8 apples from both the boxes, then the count of remaining apples from first box is 6. Yes, so what is the answer? 6 is the answer. Means 14 minus 8, which is equals to 6. Yes. Now see the second one. Some lanterns are given. Yes. How many lanterns are given in first box? See the number given below. Yes, it is 15. So we have 15 lanterns in first box and 5 lanterns in second box. Okay. Now here we have to subtract 5 from 15. Means if we cross 5 lanterns from both the boxes, let's see what is remaining. So cross 5 boxes from 5 lanterns from each boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the remaining lanterns in first box, what is the count? Yes, it is 10. Yes, so here 15 minus 5, which is equals to 10. Understood? Now raise 3 examples you can do on your own. Let's move to the next topic, that is subtraction by grouping into tens and ones. Yes, we have already learned that grouping into tens and ones in our addition section. Yes, so see the given example, that is 18 minus 5. Yes, we are going to see the solve example 18 minus 5. Here the first number is 18. Yes, and we have to regroup the number 18 as 110 and 8 ones. Yes, so write down 1 before 10 and 8 before ones. Now, what is our second number? It is 5. It is again single digit number, so we have to write it as 5 ones. Yes, now what we have to do? Here we have to subtract 18 minus 5, means here we have to subtract 5 from 18. So what we do? We can cross 5 flowers from both the groups. Yes, if we cross 5 flowers from both the groups, what is remaining? Yes, what is remaining? Count the number of flowers. Yes, the number of flowers are 13. The 10 flowers are in bunch and 3 flowers are separate from the bunch. Okay, so like that we get 13 flowers. So the answer is 110 and 3 ones, which is equals to 13. Yes, understood the question? Similarly, you have to do the following. Yes, let's see the second one. Subtract the following by grouping into tens and ones exercise. Yes, first one 15 minus 5. Here again, if you can see, in first line 15 flowers are there. Yes, in second line 5 flowers are there. So, if we are going to subtract 5 from 15, we have to cross 5 flowers from both the lines. Yes, you can see in the picture here in second line we cross 5 flowers, and in first line also we have crossed the 5 flowers. Now count the remaining number of flowers. What are that? Yes, it is 10. Yes, it is 10. Means a bunch of 10 only. Yes, what we can say to 1 10. Yes, very good. 1 10. So see here on left side now. 15 is equals to 110 5 ones. Yes. Now second is only 5 number, means it is a single digit number. So write down there 5 ones. If we subtract 5 minus 5, then what is the answer? Yes, it is 0. 5 minus 5, which is equals to 0, and 110 is kept as it is. So it is called as 110 0 ones, which is equals to 10. Okay, understood this concept? Subtraction by grouping into tens and ones? Very good. Here is our next topic, that is subtracting down. Again, we are going to subtract the numbers by drawing strokes. Yes, see the first one example, 16 minus 1. So our first number is 16. Yes, so we have to draw 16 strokes beside 16 and 1 stroke beside 1. Now what we are going to do, we have to subtract here. So we are going to cross the strokes. Yes, so what is our second number? It is 1. So subtract 1 stroke from both the lines. Yes, and now count the remaining strokes. Yes, what is that? 15. Yes, 15. So number of strokes remaining are 15. Means we can say 16 minus 1, which is equals to 15. Yes, okay. Now let's see the second example. 14 minus 3. Yes, 14 minus 3. Here our first number is 14. So draw 14 strokes beside 14. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now what is our second number? Yes, it is 3. 1, 2, 3. So draw 3 strokes beside 3. Now we have to subtract 3 number. So we are going to cross 3 strokes from both the lines. Yes. Now count again the remaining number of strokes. What is that? Yes, it is 11. Yes, means 14 minus 3 is equals to 11. So understood how we have to draw the strokes and how we have to subtract the numbers by drawing strokes? Yes, now rest of the examples you can do now. Now the last topic from this lesson. Yes, and the last topic is subtraction on number line. Again see, this concept we have already learned in our lesson number 2. Okay, for single digit number. Here we are going to use this concept for 2-digit number. Yes, so let's see the example. What is that? Subtract 7 from 16 by using number line. So what we have to do here? Yes, first thing to remember while subtraction on number line, we have to jump reverse. Yes, we have to jump reverse or on left side of the number. Now see the number line first. Yes, what is that? There is 20 numbers on number line starting from 0. Now our example is 16 minus 7. Yes, for subtraction, first see the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 16 is the bigger number. So circle the number 16 on number line. Yes, now we have to subtract 7 from 16. Yes, 7 from 16. So what we do? We take 7 jump backward. Yes, 7 jump backward or towards left side from 16 on number line. You can see in the picture. Yes, how we have to take jump from 16. Yes, on left side. Understood? Now tell me where we reach. Tell me the number where we reach. Yes, we reach to the number 9. Yes, so that is our answer. Circle it. So 16 minus 7 is equals to 9. Understood this one? Yes. Now see the exercise. Subtract the following using number line. See first one, 10 minus 6. Again, here 10 is bigger, 6 is smaller. See the number line first. What is our first number? 10. Yes. So see the 10 number on number line and circle it. Do it fast. Yes. Very good. Now what is our second number? It is 6. So here we have to subtract 6 from 10. So we are going to take the backward jump from 10. Yes, 6 backward jump from 10 on left side. So take backward jump to left side from 10. We reach to the number 4. Yes, we reach to the number 4. So answer is 4. So circle it and write down the answer in box. 10 minus 6 which is equals to 4. Okay, understood this concept again? Very good. So, here we finished with our lesson. I hope all of you understood all the concept from this lesson. Yes? Thank you.